this is working great, but let's see what happens now. So I'm going to set to leave note. Okay, so I'm going to copy this URL. Let's get back to the admin page. Okay, so I'm going to log out. So if I run this page now, see, even though I'm not logged in, I'm still able to see some of the pages. So this is because we have not applied the login mixins to all the pages. So we're going to apply the login mixin to all the pages here. So basically what we have to do now is just copy this name, okay, and then we need to apply to the detail weave, okay, and just copy name and this thing over here and just paste it. Okay, let's do the same thing for the create weave. I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, and then I'm going to take this login required to admin, just paste it over here. Okay, I'm just going to copy this thing here, then paste it here. Okay, let's do the same thing for the other one. That's the update stuff, just paste it here, then take all of these items and paste it over here. And we're going to do the same thing for the delete too. So we just need to copy this, paste it, and then take all of these items and paste it here. Okay, so everything should work fine. Let's hit refresh now. Okay, it's going to ask me to log in. So only logged in users will be able to create, read, update, and delete stuff inside that now. Okay, let's go to view site. So now you can see I can do a lot of stuff. Click on edit. I'm just going to copy this. Let's try to log out. And let's try that URL again. Yep, it's not going to let me see that URL. That's because I have added the login mixin now.